We decided the place needed a refresher as the front door was worn out and we didn't like the color.
We moved into this house 13 years ago, and when we first moved in, there was no window into our living room, and we decided we wanted to have a new window there.
The original door for the house, it was just an all-steel door. We wanted to bring in more light into the entrance, so we decided to change.
And after a little bit of Googling and searching, we found Nordik.
We picked Nordik, and we have been very happy with everything we see. Our window, our door, everything looks just the way we want it.
The experience with the sales rep was great. They walked us through the whole experience front to back, including discussing how the site measurements would go, the install day, and how the warranty and everything worked afterwards.
We gave a call to Nordik and the salesperson was at our door the next day, so 24 hours of response time for our services. The person told us that there will be a pre-measurement person coming in, and surprisingly even that person came up the very next day. So everything moved very rapidly yet smoothly.
It was great to have so many customizable options when selecting our doors. Nordik went through lengths to discuss what colors the thresholds were, caulking colors, and all the flashings. So it was really great to know that they were looking after every little fine detail.
Oh yes, the installation was very fast and proficient, yeah.
The doors were done swiftly and without a mess around the house. And the installers were professional and did a great job on the day.
I could not speak any further higher. It was that good of a service.
And especially thankful for Nordik's financing program, which allowed us to make payments over a controlled amount of time and get our home a secured, safe, new doors.
I would definitely recommend Nordik. A few people have already reached out, friends and family who know that we got the windows replaced.
It's not as common to find a contractor that's willing to kind of take you through all the steps and stages rather than just doing their one sort of piece of the job, so that was a very positive experience.
Any guests that we had coming over, if they've been here before on a regular basis, they certainly could see the change, and they had good comments about everything.
I would give Nordik a possible 10 on 10. If I can give more, I would give 11 on 10 on customer centricity. From the day one till the end, they have always been customer focused. Quick communication, timely responses, constant feedback. Even after product delivery and installation, I received 2 or 3 calls and surveys for the feedback.
I would highly recommend Nordik to my neighbors, especially just because they were able to walk us through the whole experience from front to back.
I have been super happy with the services of Nordik. As I said, it's customer centric, can't ask for more.